sold the recipe.
Hello, namaste. Welcome to Namche Cafe.
Hey, it's Mikey for real here from Everest Experts. You know, I'm always on the hunt for a good bite to eat here, especially when I'm in Namche Bazaar. If you're coming down, you're going to be starving after going to altitude. And when you're coming up, you should be eating as much as you can, okay? I came upon this place called Namche Cafe, and let me tell you, it is the best place to eat in Namche. And I'll tell you why. They offer great menu items like Coca-Cola chicken wings, jumbo coconut prawns, and by the way, the gourmet wedges are just that. They are spicy and good. Let me introduce you to the owner of Namche Cafe, the man with the plan, the guy that built the place, the guy that cooks the food, and the guy that's going to make your day, Sujan. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Oh, thanks for having us at Namche Cafe. Tell me about your 4 best items. What are the signature dishes at the Namche Cafe?
My 4 items?
Yeah.
Actually, my all item is best.
Well, of course they are. Without further ado, why don't we just go get cooking right now? Because this kid's getting hungry.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it. Just like in Italy, eh? With the fresh dough.
Yeah, fresh dough.
Nice. What kind of cheese is that?
This is Namche cheese.
Namche cheese. What's Namche?
It's female yak.
Female yak. Most people don't know that. A female yak is a Namche.
Not a yak cheese.
Yeah, I know.
Male has.
Men don't make yak cheese, and if they do, it's the wrong kind of cheese. But it's a real pizza oven, folks.
Yeah, real pizza oven. Now it goes on.
Oh boy. In the meantime, we have some rice frying up for the burrito over here, as well as the beef.
Beef means little rosemary, bolognese sauce. What is this?
This is your secret spice.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Spice.
Don't give the secret away. You mean you make the burrito tortillas yourself?
Yeah, tortilla ourselves.
Wow, that's why they taste so good, right? Freshness guaranteed.
Fresh tortilla. This is vegetable with my secret dash.
Oh, that looks like it's going to be a big burrito. Namche cheese.
Namche cheese.
A Namche cheese burrito.
My burrito is ready. This is margarita pizza.
Look at that pizza. Looking good.
This burrito, spaghetti bolognese, and margherita pizza.
Oh, thank you so much. We got pizza, spaghetti bolognese, and a big burrito. I think I'm ready to have a big feast. This looks great. So without further ado, here we go. I'm going to start with the spaghetti here because I'm a big spaghetti fan. The first thing that I'm noticing about the spaghetti is that the spaghetti is it's a delicate spaghetti. It's not a big fat spaghetti. It's kind of almost a spaghettini, which is actually really good. It's got a gourmet feeling to it. We have fresh cilantro on top. There's a mild spiciness to it. The tomato sauce is gentle and it's actually pretty nice. It's actually a rich spaghetti sauce. It's not like, you know, maybe an out of the can ketchup type of sauce that you might get at other places. This is the real deal. It might even be better than my mother makes it, but don't tell her that, okay? Here I am on the pizza. The first thing I'm noticing about the pizza is, wow, there's a lot of cheese on this pizza. And if you're a cheese lover, this is where you should be coming for a pizza. Look at the steam coming off that and the cheese ripping away. Wow. The dough is actually what makes a pizza in my mind. And this isn't too breaded. It's fresh and it's light and fluffy. This is actually one of the better margarita pizzas I've ever had. I'm not even just saying that. It's actually really good. And the neck cheese adds a little bit of oomph to it that the mozzarella wouldn't do on its own. So, wow. What a great pizza. Course 3 is the burrito. You don't have to go to Mexico to get a good burrito because you can come right to Namche Bazaar to the Nat Cafe and get it here, okay? First thing I'm noticing about this burrito is just the size of it. When you come down from the mountains, you're going to be hungry, and when you go up, you're going to need to eat a lot, and wow, look at this big boy. That's like the size of my head! Whoa! And it's built for a hungry boy, a hungry man. So, let me take a bite into this big boy. What I'm noticing about this burrito right away is there's a good amount of rice. It's Spanish rice. And the baked beans on top are adding a great flavor. The sour cream is really good. I didn't expect there to be like, you know, great sour cream here, but this is actually pretty awesome. And then the yak cheese. Man, look at that. The only thing it's missing is jalapeno, but hey, I'm sure they can get a hot chili for you. They got a few of those over here. He made his own tortilla right in front of us. And man, is it good. I think it's time for me to stop talking because I'm just having too much good time eating. So without further ado, come to the Nat Cafe because you're going to have the best food you've ever had in Namche for sure. Don't waste any time coming to EBC. You know Everest Experts has got the best things coming to you. We got the best recos, we got the best food, we got the best lodges, we got the best guides. And we got Sujan here ready to cook up for you, the best things for you when you're in Namche Bazaar. So thanks, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
Come back again?
Yeah, buddy.